All right, Caravan Life, we're going to cross city today with the family so that we can go scalloping in Steinhatchee. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Yeah, so we're going to leave middle of the day here, about 1:30. The flight plan is from St. Pete, Momi to Cross City. We'll be traveling here at about 6,000 feet. And yeah, let's just go through it. Let's just go ahead. We haven't refreshed this in about 15 hours. Let's get the briefing. The videos we've been making have been well received. They're a little long. You guys aren't watching the whole thing, so I'm going to limit them to a couple of minutes at a time. Let's see here. Adverse conditions, current weather, forecast, NOTAMs, clouds. Of course, we got rain. Let's see here. Marginal. Got no IFR. The wind's going to help us a little bit. We'll read the NOTAMs before we leave. All right, let's do the takeoff. I've got Foreflight Pro, so it does the runway analysis for me. Looks like we'll be using runway 18 because they never put us on 4 or 22. Right, liftoff speed 65, plenty of runway, a little bit of a crosswind. When we land, though, at about 2:15, what's the weather going to be like? Closest weather is Gainesville. We got a little bit of wind. Scattered, broken, nothing to worry about. Runway 22. Let's refresh that. Okay. Says we got, so try and strike a balance between time and fuel used. There's no sense in going up to 12 or 14,000 feet. That's just stupid. The actual best altitude is probably 10. We can ask for that later, but we'll ask for 6 initially. Okay, that is what I filed for. All right, so let's send that to the map and take a look. So that's what we got, is PIE, Momi, Cross City. Tuesday, we'll go from Cross City over to New Smyrna, pick up my daughter, and come back. And then on Saturday, go drop her off again, and then go home. My wife's driving my car, so she can take stuff up there, and we can have a car. But that's the plan. We're going to go ahead and fill out our flight card, or our in-plane flight card. That will be all set up. I'll get a short video to append this, and we'll get it all put together for you guys to see in a couple of days. And yeah, should be a fun flight. Should be a little bit of weather, a little bit of crosswind at the end. But stick around. We'll get the full flight on video and get it uploaded. Thanks for joining the Caravan Life.